In this video, we'll show you how to easily tackle chips on the bottom of your kitchen countertop using some packing tape and the HIMG Multicolor Light Cure Acrylic Repair Kit. First, we'll start off by mixing our colors. This can be done right on the surface to ensure the best color match. We're using a mix of colors from the gray multicolor kit, as well as one of the syringes from our brown multicolor kit. Single color syringes are always available on our website for hard to match surfaces. Take your time mixing your colors, and don't be afraid to leave a swirl pattern in the LCA material if it mimics the natural pattern of your stone. Next, we're applying a strip of packing tape on the bottom of the surface, leaving a flap that's long enough to push up and cover the damage. Now we'll begin applying the LCA onto the tape and pressing upwards, smoothing out the material as we go. Once your damage is sufficiently filled, smooth it out one more time to prep it for curing. Take the provided LED light and hold it right up against your packing tape over the damage. Let this cure for 2 to 3 minutes or until hardened, making sure to apply the LED light to all angles of the repair. Then it's time for sanding. For damages on the bottom edge of a countertop like this one, sanding is a crucial step in helping to mimic what the bottom of that countertop edge looks like. Notice how we fold over the sandpaper from the side to the bottom to try to really create that straight line edge. Polish it off and you're done. Follow along as we repeat the same steps for this second damage repair. The only step we're skipping is mixing product, as a solid color will suffice for this area. Third repair, we're applying the LCA directly onto the damage and then adding the packing tape when we're ready to prep the area for curing. This is just a variation of how you can make this repair. And there you have it, a quick fix with long-term results for a countertop edge. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on how you can fix your countertops, sinks, and other home surfaces, and check out our repair kits over on our website. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't replace, repair.